A while, changed his mind, said, I like staying here. Making his way out of Kearneysville, West Virginia, ladies and gentlemen, on the After Hours. 466 Hot Car, 66 Series International, Mr. Tyree Cable. Fired up. He does have the option. He's going to take it. He is going to take the pull. 316 feet, .94. 3 light harvester. 1066 International, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Jake Reiner. $294.99 at 26.4 miles per hour. Not a bad run this time. He's getting ready to get the green flag. He's got the chain tight. On the well-armed John Deere, Mr. Ray North. .78, 303.78, 28. Right now, I think he's 7th in points. Mr. Nelson Hardy. Looking for 316.94. Built the new stuff. Getting ready to let that clutch out, ladies and gentlemen. Here he comes. Go, Eric Rose. Well, I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I know this thing just had a heart transplant, but something was not communicating with something else. And it sounded like he had dropped the cylinder about 120, 130 feet. Not sure what he's got going on, but it does look like it has a little bit of something coming out the bottom side. And that is a tough break. He just got this thing back together, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to need a tow vehicle. Cable on the After Hours tractor. And the number 2 spot right now looks like Ray Norris on the well arm. John Deere fans, you still out there? All right, all right. Out of Union Bridge, Maryland on the Weapon X, Mr. Luke Gladhill. Ladies and gentlemen, at 30.4 miles per hour. Do you think we got a new leader? Absolutely we do. 324 feet, 0.69. 320. Right now he's got 40 points with him. That couple. Out of Boonesboro, ladies and gentlemen, on the Jolly Green Giant. Mr. Mark Wilhide. All right. 30.6 miles per hour. It's the most mile an hour we've had in this class all night. Ladies and gentlemen, do we have a new leader? Yes, we do. 312. I know this is another one to come out of the Moore stables. Moore Motorsports has a lot to do with this class, so we appreciate everything they do. He's got the green flag out of California, Maryland on the pack and heat. Mr. Ray Norris. Well, you know, they always say, if you got a path and you open the gate, the cows come through. Fixed it, he calls the back 40 binder. 2 weeks ago, he runs second in Lebanon. Right now, he's about 8th in points, but he missed a few pulls. 313 points looking for him. Unbelievable. All right, ladies and gentlemen, out of Lovettsville, Virginia, on the CN Ranch, looks like Mr. Ryan Luckman. But on the tractor, he calls second chance. Mr. Rusty Tanner. Look at the 309.63. Ladies and gentlemen, he has run 28.9 miles per hour. And he is your new leader. Those 3 tractors will be running together. at 312.28. 77 late limited right here, ladies and gentlemen. He's looking for 312.28. Out of Lovettsville, Virginia on the Hokie Harvester, ladies and gentlemen, it's Will Luckman. At 29.5 miles per hour. And that is going to wrap up our 460.